Hello everyone, it's Dan Wardrope here from Flexxable. I've got another quick video for you today, and today it's going to be on YouTube ads, right? So a lot of you that have been following us have known that we have diversified away from Facebook a lot, all right? They still great, and we still spend, probably about 70% of our ad revenue on the Facebook platform, but 2 years ago that was kind of 95%, which put us in a situation where we're a little bit over reliant on their ad platform, and we're seeing that things are super cheap there at the moment, and that's great, and we're leveraging Facebook. But on the other hand, we are using YouTube a lot more, and we have done for the past kind of 18 months. And one thing that I've learned is that, number one, the algorithms over at YouTube are incredible. The AI and the way that they learn to get you guys leads is amazing, and also that once you get it dialed in, it can stay dialed in for a very long time and be a lot more consistent than Facebook ads. So that's great, but how do you get it dialed in? All right, is it about targeting? Is it about your bids? Is it all of that? There's so many different variables, and it can confuse a lot of people who are trying to make YouTube work. And the one thing that I've learned after spending a lot of money on YouTube is that it's all about the creative, okay? And this is harder than on Facebook to be able to get new ads up and test lots of images and headlines and whatever, because you're creating a TrueView video, right? You're creating that pre-roll video that runs before people watch the video of their choice. So it takes time and it takes effort to get that done. And what we have found is that we can shift very quickly, and we can create videos very quickly that don't necessarily have to be the studio production level. All right, a lot of the best videos that we've done is me or one of my staff or an actor playing around with their mouse and recording some kind of screen share type stuff of going through a funnel, or explaining what an offer is and why it's so good, and just doing something different that can be thrown up in a matter of hours. And I haven't seen anyone at all in the industry try and leverage YouTube properly, because they're forever trying to get professional videos done. Well, times are changing, okay? People want to see real content. They want to see that shaky video camera. They want to see that screencast video explaining how to do this or why it's so good. And this is great for us, because these are the kind of videos that do the best, and they require very little time. And if possible, you should be getting 5 of these videos up a week or a fortnight in order to test, because we've so often seen the cost per lead halved in a matter of hours when a video catches, right? It's like a great Facebook ad or a great Google ad, okay? It cuts through all of the targeting, all of the things that you used to worry about, all right? It's all gone when you create a really good ad. So we have YouTube scripts that we follow to be able to write great ads, and we do this with different types of ways of doing it, like a screencast, or we might hire an actor on Fiverr, or we might get an actor to do a shaky hand video. We might get them to do a studio type presentation. It doesn't really matter. They follow a very similar script with whatever format they're using. And if you can get lots of these up, then that's the difference between making YouTube work and failing at YouTube. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you need further help, then we're happy to answer questions. Send a support email address to support@flexxable.com with your questions, or reply below to this video, and we'll do our best to get back and help you guys scale in these challenging economic situations. Hope you enjoyed this video today. Speak soon.